Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, but if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a like. So this unit is actually from a company I've never worked with before, but I'm definitely open to trying new companies, and this one definitely did not disappoint. So far so good. I am absolutely in love with the quality of this hair, and this company is YMY Hair Official. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous unit, you guys. It is a 22-inch silky straight wear and go 8x5 pre-cut lace closure wig unit in 22 inches, 180 density, and I'm loving the fullness of this hair and how silky and shiny it is. I'm living for the glueless effect. I did not have to use any type of adhesive for this wig to be held down, but the melt, on the other hand, I did just use some spray and tied it down with the YMY hair band. And you guys, I am living for the results. I love the deep middle part. It gives natural, and we decided no baby hairs. We're ditching baby hairs this winter season. We want to look grown and sexy, and YMY Hair Official is definitely giving that. This unit is gorgeous, and this is sale season, so don't forget to go ahead and read that description box really nice and well, so you can definitely get a bang for your buck where savings is concerned. And I'm just loving every single thing about this hair. The wear and go technology, it just pretty much allows for this wig to be glueless. So if you are a beginner, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig unit. And I'm so here for closures these days. Super easy to work with, super low maintenance. And let me pretty much just stop rambling on. I'm going to show you how I did this quick and easy glueless install in no time with this gorgeous wig from YMY Hair.
When I'm sitting here alone, I'm by myself. It's different when I'm thinking about be with somebody. Wasn't mine. Scared to admit my shortcomings like an overdraft in this affair. Declining, let me start it. Evidence we miss alignment, now I'm more in love with you. Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face. Figure me right when I need it. You're wrong, but I can't get away out you. It's a shame, and I can't blame myself for loving you. You do it. All that I know is there was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me. It's different when I'm sitting here alone, I'm by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. This shit's wrong. Still with it when you want it, got to keep me, I am still. Don't drill when you see me out here with my new beach eyes. Still, ain't go around, even though you got. I can pretend you was my man, nigga, bet you love just how I feel. Out of my way, you out of pocket, vision, boy, you ain't trust decision. When you near me, get myself caught in your crossfire. You are one. And I'm waiting in you like it's cool, water like it's cool. When you pull up with a nigga, and it's all that I know is it was inside me. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody good. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different.
All right, you guys, so I'm finally finished, and this is the gorgeous unit from YMY Hair Official. They sent me this Wear and Go 8x5 pre-cut lace closure wig unit in 180 density. Silky straight is the texture, and it is in 22 inches. And honestly, you guys, as you can see, there's a lot of luster, body, and shine, and it is definitely silky straight and living up to that name. I'm in love with this gorgeous unit. It lays really nice and flat. The cap fits very nice and snug, and it is 100% glueless. I went ahead and just straightened it. I didn't do baby hairs as of late. I'm not really feeling that. I'm giving the natural, more mature look with my laces these days, and honestly, it just works very well, especially where the glueless portion is concerned. I can easily lift this wig off and put it back on, and I am loving the qualities and just perks of this gorgeous unit. Don't forget to go ahead and check out the sale that's going on right now. We have links in my bio just in case you want to purchase, which I would highly recommend. This wig is gorgeous, so don't forget to go ahead and check those links out. This hair is so amazing. I'm loving the quality, and that's pretty much all I can rave about. It's so super soft. So if you'd like to get your hands on this hair, just check the links in the description box, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.